Okay, good evening, everyone. If you can hear me, type in the chat box. Hi, George. I think the rest are coming in. We have 176. We are starting a bit early, okay? So today event is also open to public. Hi, Zheng and Lincoln. Okay, good to see you in the Facebook group also, okay, our Facebook page. Okay. So let's get started. Since today is open to public, please like and share the post. That will help me also to share this to more people. Okay, so if you're on Facebook, please like and share the post. Okay, so let's get started. Again, this is our usual graduates meeting every week. If I'm not on holiday, every week on Monday, 8 p.m. I always have my graduates meeting with all my people, all my graduates. Okay, those people who attended the class years ago, or people who attended the class last batch will still be on this live Zoom today. Okay, so whatever I share with you today is for education purpose. These are not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you understand. Hello, Zhiqiang. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so let me intention is at the end of today. People in the public group will have a view of where we are in the market. Okay, also have understanding of where we are in the market. All the graduates will also be clear of where we stand, or where I stand in terms of investing and trading also. Okay. Yeah, another disclaimer, right? Whatever I share with you today is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Did I do that? I think I did it. Yeah, haven't I? Okay. So S&P 500. Okay, first S&P 500. This is the index for US stocks. Okay, the long-term trend. Okay, if you are intending to hold 1 year or more, okay, what should you do right now? Okay, SMT graduate, you all should know what should you do right now. Do nothing. Yes or no? The trend is still what? The trend is still up. Type yes if you agree. Okay, because we have the candlestick blue. Okay, it's remained blue. Okay, it's been blue since I think late last year in November. November is here. November last year, and since then it have not changed color. Okay, so it continue to remain bullish. Okay, that's a show of type in the chat box if you're a long term. Type in long term so that I know how many of you are long term in the public, right? If you're a long term, if your holding period is a year or more, okay, if you all let me know long term, type in LT so that I know you're a long term. Okay, so we have Collin, Jia Ying, Lincoln also long term, Edway, long term. So now by now you all should understand how we approach long term. It's not a lot of in and out, yes or no. Okay, like example, since 2023, okay, we November we have been not doing anything, yes or no. Okay, we've been long, okay, we've been long, and then after that till now, even though recently there's market correction, but we are not doing anything. We just basically holding the position for long term. Right now, S&P 500 we up about 15%. Got it? Type yes if you are doing that. Type yes if you are doing that. Means no signal to sell. Just follow the signal. Okay, so nothing much lah. Okay, so for only Loi Hua. The rest then, you all agree? Okay, let's say example, you're looking at a particular stock, also the same thing lah. Okay, let's say example, you're doing Microsoft or whatever stocks, you all do the same thing. Use the position weekly to determine what should to do. For the rest, do you exit? No lah, I believe not lah. Okay, so you should be still holding. Yes or no? Okay, so short term daily chart, we have a trade. Okay, we went in. Okay, we went in over here when the candlestick changed color, and when the arrow came out. Okay, and then we exited here. Okay, we exited here. So this time frame is about 3 to 9 months trade. Okay, 3 to 9 months trade. We exited the position, And to date, okay, till now, we have not re-enter the position. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so 3 to 9 months, we exited. And then right now, at this moment, we are not doing anything. We just wait and see what's happening next. Okay, so that is for 3 to 9 months. Okay, 3 to 9 months. For 1 month or so, that means you use swing weekly. Swing weekly, we're going swing weekly. We had a swing trade setup. Yes or no? We had a swing trade setup. How many of y'all saw the swing trade setup? Like me, you saw the swing trade setup. Okay, so very simple. Basically, it's the price coming back into the MA. Okay, coming back in the 20 MA, the CCI below 100 or below 100, and then after that, bullish candle, haven't entered yet. Next week, break above the previous week high, you enter on this candle. This is a setup we cover like more than 10 years ago. 10 years, no change, still the same setup. That yes, if you agree. Okay, so right now you're in a second week, or not right now, it's the third week of the trade. Okay, so it's the third week of the trade. Basically, that's all. Okay. I also mentioned for the SMT graduate, I also mentioned my long-term view. Okay, I also mentioned my long-term view beyond 1 year. Yes or no? Okay, talk about interest rates, talk about my view, at least for this year. Okay, so you all should be able to do this swing trade setup. Okay, so next is a very short-term weekly chart. No trade. Okay, there was a swing trade setup over here. It was a setup for short. Okay, there was a setup for short, but didn't short because the price went above my 40 MA. Yes or no? There was a short here. Okay, the price come up to here. CCI above 100, you short here. 2 days, 3 days, you take profit, and then after that, no more trade already. Type yes if you agree. And then subsequently, another setup over here, but there was no trade because it didn't break below my previous candle low. Yes or no? All can see or not? Got it? Any question? Okay, whether it's long term 1 year or more to very short term 1 week or so. Any question? Public can also ask question if you're uncertain how I look at the chart. If you're uncertain how we do it, you can ask question also. Okay, so graduate also same thing. By the way, graduates should know all the setup. Yes or no? You should know based on the different time frame what you should already do. Okay, but if you all don't know, can still ask. Okay, 10 seconds. Any question you're not familiar? Got question? Don't understand the time frame? Don't understand the setup? Let me know. Okay. Understand? Understand that good if you understand. So just to clarify one more time, whatever you learn in class, in the 3 days SMT class, okay, apply to current market. There is no conflict at all. Do you agree? Everything that we teach in class, whether you attended class 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 2 years ago, there is exactly what we do in the real market. Type yes if you agree based on what we cover on S&P 500. Okay, it's exactly what we do. There is no if, there's no but, there's no other things. Okay, we just follow exactly. Okay, so by doing that, you are clear what you should do. Yes or no? You are clear what you should do. You ask yourself, what's the time frame? What should you do right now based on the chart? Yes or no? Okay, so next we go to NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ. NASDAQ 100. Okay, long term. Okay, long term position weekly. What is the trend? What is the trend for position weekly? It's bullish, yes or no? Because the candlestick is still blue. We going up here. So this even longer. This is 2023 January until right now. We are up almost 40% already, and we are still holding the trade. If your long-term NASDAQ 100, you are very profitable if you do weekly charts. Got it? Okay, we're profitable. Basically, even with recent correction, there is no exit. So for those who are long term, do you see the value? Do you see the value in not doing anything? Type yes if you all see the value. Okay, you all see the value, right? Just chill lah. Recent correction also nothing. Okay, just right. Okay. Then for those people who are trading 3 to 9 months trade, 3 to 9 months trade, there is one trade over here, enter here, exit here, exit ready, and then right now no entry. Okay. Question people may ask, sometimes people are not familiar with time frames. Collin, why is it that position daily asks you to exit like here, okay, like here, but position weekly don't ask you to exit? Anybody smart enough to answer? Why is it like this? What if we know that it's going to turn back to blue, then why should we exit on the, if you are doing position daily? That's the question. If I know it's going to be blue again, why do I exit here? Anybody can answer that question? See anybody know the answer? Anybody? Time frame, okay, very good, but exactly why? Okay, long term, very good. I think you all know. Okay. Okay, let me answer. Time frame is correct. Okay, long term can take more retracement. Yes, okay, George Jefferson is correct. Long term, you allow the volatility, allow them down move, so that you can ride for bigger gains. Do you follow what I'm saying? So you give a more space for it to move, or if you're long term, okay? Because you're following shorter time frame. Because another thing is because it's on high side. Also, when you exit here, we don't know it's going to turn blue. Also, yes or no? But based on our time frame, when we were here in April, we say, okay, if I'm trading 3 to 9 months trade, now based on risk reward, I should exit first and see what's happening, what will happen next. Yes or no? So do you understand this? Type yes if you understand this. Okay, type yes if you understand this. Okay, good. Because if you don't, it's very confusing. Why sometimes, okay. Then okay, so that's the thing. Okay. Next, now we go to swing. Swing weekly is very nice setup, yes or no? Type yes if you all agree. It's like textbook setup. Okay, price come down, CCI below 100. This one haven't get in. This one haven't get in, but you can see the reversal candle. This one break below reversal candle high and 3 weeks ago. This is the third week already, Okay, this is very standard setup. Okay. Last one is position swing daily. Okay, swing daily. Swing daily, you're doing short-term trade, 5 days trade. Okay, there was a swing trade setup over here where you shorted 1, 2, 3. Third day, you should take profit. After that, there was another setup here. Then next day, never trigger, no more trade already. Got it? So for those doing swing daily one, do you all understand? I also mentioned this, I don't know whether you remember, I would prefer not to do swing daily for short. Anybody remember? Type me if you remember. Okay, I mentioned this. Do not do swing daily for short. Why is it so? It's because my long term is up. Yes or no? Because my swing weekly is up, so I don't want to do swing daily. Makes sense or not? Okay. On hindsight, I was right. Okay, maybe lucky. But do you understand the concept right now? Type yes if you understand. Only 2% remember. Okay. So understand, right? Okay. So sometimes you have the context. Okay. So I do a swing daily right now, but I know my swing weekly is up because price pinned to my 20 MA, right? So should I do a short right now? Maybe not good risk reward. Okay. So that will be the context. Okay. Finish. Okay. Next we move to the different candle already. And then after that, let's go long term. But there was a question. Okay. How do you know third day take profit on this hindsight? Okay, I'll answer the question. Very good question. Why don't we go into where we look at Nasdaq? Wow, okay, also can. Okay, let's do the first question first. How do we know third day take profit? Okay. We are on short right now, right? We are on a short. How do I know third day take profit? Anybody can answer this question? How do I know third day take profit? 1-to-1. Okay, good. What else? Okay, you get 1-to-1 risk. What else? Beside this. beside this. How do I know this day should take profit? If you are short, very good. It's a bullish candle. Yes or no? Open high, close low, open high, close low. Next day, open gap up. Obvious already, right? Never close. End of the day, bullish candle also. Yes or no? Oh, so that is an indication. Okay, so bullish candle, 1-to-1 risk reward, both lah. Okay. Any other question? Okay, next one. How do I know when to get in at Nasdaq? What is your time frame? What do we go into, or what do we go into? Okay, so Andrew, what do we go into when we look at Nasdaq? Okay, so you need to start with time frame first, Andrew. Okay, am I going to trade a 1 month trade? Am I going to trade a 3 months or 9 months trade? Am I going to do long term? Okay, so we must first understand decide a time frame first. Let's say example, you say, okay, I want to do a 1 month trade. 1 month trade. Then what do I do? If I don't want to do a 1 month trade, let's say I'll do a 1 month trade. I saw at Nasdaq, Nasdaq got swing trade set up. Besides trading the Nasdaq swing trade set up, what can I do if I want to do a 1 month trade? What can I do? I can go to the, come on, or maybe like gig. Everybody, what should you do? Okay, go to swing weekly, then look at what? Swing weekly, then look at if Nasdaq got the setup, then look at Nasdaq. Yes or no? Okay. Then look at Nasdaq. Then what do you do next? Rank by arrows. Yes or no? Rank by arrows. Okay. Let's assume we go back to 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. It's 1 week. Let's make sure we're correct. Okay. Let's say example. Weekly chart. I'm on this week. Okay. This week is 22nd to 26th. That yes, if you understand. 22nd to 26th of the April. Okay. If I have candle until like this. By the way, here already set up. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Here already set up. Okay. So you know, hey, get ready already. Yes or no? Here also another get ready, but haven't entered. So by this candle, 22nd to 26th, okay, which is like 1 week, right? You can do the scan. Type yes if you understand. So assume I do the scan on the 26th of April. Type yes if you understand so far. Okay, that means on that week, after the weekend already, on the 26th of April, I saw the candle is like this, and I want to look for a trade for 1 month. Then I will go to the screener, 26th of April. Then I will go and rank by arrows. Type weekly chart, weekly chart, and then I rank by wrong. Okay, swing weekly. Okay, swing weekly, rank by arrows. Type yes if you all know. Swing weekly, 1 month trade, right? Not position weekly, swing weekly. Okay, then rank by arrow. How many of y'all, just curious, how many of y'all did this? Like if y'all are doing swing weekly one, how many of y'all did this? Type me if y'all did this. That means you, once you go to this, and okay, Derek did this, Wai Hong did this, Francis did this. Okay, so understand not? Okay, then you have a whole list of stocks. Yes or no? For you to choose. Okay, of rank by arrow. Just curious. Anybody do a swing weekly in the last two or 3 weeks? Type in the stock. See whether it's correct or not. What's the stock name? 2 or 3 weeks. Anybody? MU, okay. MUJPG. I do one or two, so many. Okay. Before I do the individual stocks, can you see all these stocks are the setup? Yes or no? So if we go to this stock over here, you will see, okay, this one, the setup was here. The setup was here. I don't know whether he's trigger or not. Maybe it's trigger, but if not trigger, right now you still haven't entered. Type yes if you agree. Okay, still haven't entered. Let's say example, you go applied material. So like example, you do on this week, this is 24th to 26th, 22nd to 26th. So this one break below the previous week high, then you enter. Yes or no? Okay, you all should know this, no need to repeat. Okay. By the way, those new students, please ask question if you don't know lah. Okay. So as much as possible, I want to make the training practical. Yes or no? How many of you all agree that I don't know whether this is too much to ask. How many agree that SMT is a practical course? Which we learn in the class, the 3-day class, 4-day class, you can actually really apply in real life. Type me if you all agree. Type me if you all agree. Okay, you can really apply in real life. It's not like it's just theory only, because every week we do the thing. Yes or no? Every week we look at the setup, every week we look at the things. It's a practical course. It's not like theory course. Okay. So just now come to MU again. So we had the setup on this one. This one is a 10 MA setup. Yes or no? 10 MA setup. So from here to here, 10 MA setup. 22nd to 26th. And then 22nd is the beginning of the week. Look at it here. 26th is the end of the week. Then next week, I think this one break previous candle high. Or break previous candle high. And then after that, enter. And then right now, you're on the second week. Agree? Oh. And then after that, sorry, just now went through 2 down already. Okay, SPY also same thing. By now you also know SPY workout also. JPM. Okay, at the end of the day, it's not a guarantee. Yes or no? It's not a guarantee. It's a trade. You must understand the trade. On the 22nd, you do the trade type. You must understand, hey, when I do this trade, it's a trade. Yes or no? So we enter here. And so, hey, there's a setup. Break below the previous week high, break below the previous week high, and then trigger. How many can see this? Type me if you can see this. Oh, okay. So here there's a swing trade here. Okay, PG. Okay, so okay. I hope at the end of the class or at the end of the whole thing when I walk out of life, you all know how to do this on your own. Oh. Because this is really a very important skill. Yes or no? Okay. SMD. Your name only one. This is a swing trade. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree it's a swing trade. So you all should know how to do it. But even if you have a setup, even if there's a trigger, it is still a probability. It's a probability. It's not 100%. So you must know that I'm trading. There's a chance to be wrong. Okay, I won't go through the rest of the stock. But you'll get the picture, right? It's something that you can really, really apply one. For those people who haven't applied, please go and apply. Or even if you don't apply real money, can you go and paper trade? Can? That yes, if those people are so new, haven't even do any trade before, go and paper trade. Like Collin every week talk about a thing, then at least you write down on paper what we trade. Yes or no? To give you the confidence to do so. Got it? Okay. Public got one stock. Sir, how about Jardine CNC? Singapore stock. Very long never see Singapore stock. Let's take a look. Okay. Let the SMT graduate do. Okay. What's the time frame? What's the time frame? Elvin 1121. What's the time frame? Okay, let's assume is position weekly. Position weekly, no trade yet. Okay, long term still bearish. Okay, still bearish. Okay, no trade yet. Okay, later when you have a time frame, then I'll look at the stock again. Okay, so do you understand? Back to Andrew. Andrew, do you understand how to choose stock right now? Andrew, you understand, right? Okay, how to choose stock. So let's say example with the same context. Let's do. I want to do position daily. There's a position daily. Do the same thing lah. Okay, position daily. Then you rank by what? Okay, rank by what, guys? Position daily. Then you rank by Rank by month. Yes or no? You rank by month. Then from there, you look the strongest to weakest. Then you trade the stock, individual stocks. Understand not? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so back to Alvin. Short term. Okay, so short term, Alvin want to know short term Jardine CNC. Okay, so guys, you are all expert already. So short term, I would say 1 week or so. Okay, so Alvin want to know short term Jardine CNC. What is the view? So what should you do, everyone? This is a training for everyone. Let's say your friend can ask you, who is also Alvin. So you go to swing daily. Yes or no? Okay. So swing daily already. So swing daily already. Then after that, what do you tell Alvin? Alvin, short term, 1 week or so. What is your view? Guys, what is your view? 1 week or so. Alvin asked short term. Overbought. Do y'all see the setup? Do y'all see the setup? Before that, not today. Okay, before that. There was a setup over here. Yes or no? Type yes, you can see. Okay, price went down, touched my MA, then rebounded. Yes or no? Okay, but at this point, is that a setup? At this point, short term, can I buy right now? No, cannot buy. Why? Wait for what? Wait for price to pull back into my MA. Again, my CCI below 100, then I buy. Got it? So Alvin or ALV112. Understand? Okay. So okay, by the way, for those people who are public, you want to be part of our SMT community, come and join us, okay, in the SMT community. What we do is we have actually right now it's not a 3 days class. Actually, right now total we have a 6-day class. Okay, we have 3 days of actual class, 1 day of live trading, 1 day of platform training, and 1 day of coaching. So total 6 days of training. After 6 days of training, there is a weekly webinar that lasts for a lifetime. Okay, so for those people who want to join us, you can go to this link, okay, to sign up for the preview. I think the mixed preview quite long, quite further back. Okay, but you all can go to this website, CollinSeow.com/SWB to sign up for the next coming preview. Okay, SMT graduate, you know what to do. Type in SMT. If you recommend SMT to the public, anybody that type in SMT, thank you, Janice, Wei Hong, Fong, Kin Ho, Jefferson, Teo Eng Sun. Okay. Oh, so come and join us. Okay, good news. Okay, graduate, good news. I want to tell you one thing. I'll tell you one thing. Okay, for those links, I'm going to this one. Okay, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Go and sign up this. Okay, good news. There 13 July. Can you type in, write down this date? 13 July. We're going to have our next live meetup. Type in 13 July, which is also my birthday, Saturday. Okay, on my birthday, right? We're going to have a live meetup again. We have a last meetup in January. Yes or no? I shared 3 things. All 3 things you did, if you follow, you made money. Who can remember the 3 things that we talked about in Kickstart? Who is the top student here? What BTC, what to do? Buy BTC, what to do? What else? China market, what else? And S&P 500, yes or no? Okay, if you follow, you make money. Okay, you make money. Okay, so the next one is on 13 July. The link will come soon. Okay, will come soon. But keep the date free lah. It's really my birthday. Okay, the team asked me, Collin, we only got this date available until the next day is August already. How? And never mind, birthday also do. Okay, do you follow what I'm saying? Because I love my community. Okay, so birthday also do. Okay, so that at least keep that morning free. Okay, it'll be a free event for all the SMT graduates. Okay, for all the SMT graduates. So oh yeah, please, if you can also bring your friends along. Okay, bring your friends along. Yeah lah, public one also can bring. Okay, will be in the we will post out the link soon. Okay, we're expecting maybe maybe I don't know how many people are. Okay, but we will be there, and we will get food also lah, of course. Birthday cake, I think we should have. If not, I buy. Okay, buy small one lah. How to share? How to share? Okay, okay. So keep the day free, guys. Saturday. Okay. Okay. Coming back seriously. Okay, so coming back seriously. Now let's look at public. If you have any question, also can type in the stock name or whatever lah. Okay, if you want to. Okay, so okay, now let's take a zoom. Let's take a zoom out. Let's take a zoom out. This one I covered before already. I talked about interest rates. I talked about the big picture. I talked about long term before. Yes or no? But for the new student, for the public, some of y'all may not know. Yes or no? For the longer term view, I'm talking about interest rates and things like that. What is the view? Longer term view. You remember when we talk about interest rate will in the rate cut. Do you remember? Rate cut or what? Most likely delay. It's true. Okay, they didn't cut, yes or no? Okay, they didn't cut. Okay, and likelihood it will and it's good news, because if they don't cut, it is good news. Okay, so that's the context for everyone. Number one is they may not cut so fast. That's the bad news, but actually it's good news, because if they don't cut so fast, it's actually good news for the market. Market may continue to have legs to go what? Up. Okay, so just to zoom out context. This one don't have any we'll look at the interest rates and things like that. Okay, so easy. Okay, so now how to exit. Okay, how to exit is by right, once they pause, 6 months later we will exit. Yes or no? Right now it's about 6 months already, but I also mentioned this before. This time round may delay. How many heard what I say? This time round may delay. Last few webinar we talked about this, right? It may delay. Okay, so delay until when? I don't know, but it will delay. We will look at the chart. Okay, I also mentioned this pullback. Okay, the recent pullback, the underlying is strong. Like me, if you will heard what I say the underlying is strong, so it may not immediately go down yet. Okay, so we're still looking at the market, so it may delay right now. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so next one. Okay, Ingui is public. I think let's benefit of Ingui. Hey, by the way, for public, can you type in the time frame also? That means type in the Apple is what time frame? It's very simple. You say 1 year, 3 months, 1 month, 1 week, something like that. Okay, let me know when is the time frame. Okay, let me know what's the time frame. The next question is, if the screener swing weekly rank by arrow, if screener swing a position, then rank by month. Yes, correct. Wow, this one must come for a refresher. Okay. Oh yeah, good news. We also going to have a refresher class. This one on Zoom. How many want to go for refresher class? Type me if you want to go for refresher class. Okay, we're going to have a refresher class soon. Okay, this one will be on Zoom. Okay, on Zoom. Okay, so we're going to cover one thing, the TOP. This one, we're going to cover this one. All batches, everyone. Refresher means everyone. Okay, okay, so TOP also. Okay, so that will be it. Okay, so Johan asked for graduate, would it be support? Yes, we have a very vibrant Facebook group. We use Facebook because we are still very old school. Okay, so here is our group. Okay, we have 6,300 members inside. It is an active group. Okay, also every week we have webinar. We'll post up the Zoom link so everyone can attend the Zoom, and then it's an active group. This is things that we put in. Every time we have a comment, 163 comment. This is like 22 hours ago, how to enter. So it's a very active community. For Johan, It's a very active community. Type yes if you all agree. Oh, it's a very active community lah. At least if you ask a question, won't have one question, zero answer one. If I see very clear, nobody answer, I will definitely answer one. But usually, if you ask a question, at least got one person answer. Yes or no? That is my thing lah. Okay. So if not, then people help to answer. Okay. So it's active group, then things like that. Okay. So well, a lot of announcement today. Apologize. The Zoom link, the refresher class, which is free for everyone, have decided the class. We just had a meeting today. We just had a meeting today for the live event, 13th of July. We just had the meeting today for the Zoom refresher also. So do look out for it. It will be a live Zoom class. It will not be 3 days. No need 3 days. It'll be maybe from 7 o'clock we go until late lah. But we cover all the different topics. Okay. For those that want to find out, I'm very curious. Collin, this indicator, how you come out with this green color? This dotted black line or this dotted red line, how you come out with it? Come and attend refresher. We cover this in the refresher class. Okay. In the actual class, we don't cover because no time. But in the refresher class, we usually cover more technical stuff. We cover this. So do look out for the refresher class. It's open to everybody. It's on Zoom. Okay. One last announcement. I don't know why announcement. We have upcoming this Saturday, 18th of May. This Saturday, 7 p.m. We have a social event. Okay. We meet at Saturday by the Bay. Okay. I think about 30 register. I think should have more. Okay. So basically, we're going to meet at Saturday by the Bay. You know where Saturday by the Bay? Near Garden by the Bay there. Okay. So 7 o'clock, we will eat, finish already. Then we go for a walk until about 8:50. I think there is Northern Light thing lah. Okay, not the real Northern Light but the Garden by the Bay Northern Light. We will come together and walk together lah. Okay, who know? Maybe inside we can talk about stocks and things. Usually we do lah. Okay, so during the walk we can talk about what are the money making ideas. Okay, so do sign up for it. How many have signed up? Okay, if you're not signed up, go and sign up for it. Okay, this is also for us to meet up lah. Okay, don't have very agenda lah. Don't have much agenda, but basically is just to meet up. This is meet y'all. Okay, so if y'all can, it'll be on this Saturday. Okay, this Saturday, 7 p.m. Nobody coming. Okay, I think got 30 register. So those who can come. You can bring your family along. You can bring your friend along. No agenda one. Okay, just meet up only. Okay, finish. Okay, so Inghui, back to Inghui. 1 month or so for Apple. Okay, so let's go to Apple. 1 month or so must look at Swing Weekly. Yes or no? Swing Weekly. What to do? So Inghui right now 1 month for Apple, don't do anything. Okay, it's not going up, it's not going down, it's stuck in a range. Okay, it's stuck in a range. It start sideways. No trade. Okay, so the highest is 197, lowest is 164, but it was stuck in the range. So in the next 1 month, I don't know whether it'll be here or it'll be here, or it may likely be in the middle here. So there's no trade right now for 1 month. Okay. Now let's go to the Hang Seng. Okay, how many of you are in Hang Seng or China stocks? Do we still have go with? Don't have lah. I mentioned this before. There will be delay, right? Few webinar ago, I mentioned this before. Okay, it will be delay. Why? Because they will not. The inflation still not under control. Not under control. So no lah. Okay. Do you all agree? Type yes if you agree. The chart, right, guys? The S&P 500 right now, is it very overbought? S&P 500, is it very overbought? No lah, it's not overbought lah. Yes or no? It's not nothing lah. Okay, so likelihood it may nothing or maybe even going up. Got it? So let's back to Hang Seng. How many? Oh, that's not us already. How many about Hang Seng? Type in Hang Seng HSI. You bought Hang Seng, type HSI. Okay, good. So you're bought. Congratulations for those that bought. Nice breakout. Okay, breakout already. What do you need to do now? Don't do anything. Yes or no? I mentioned this in the kickstart. Yes or no? I mentioned it the kickstart. If you want to buy value, Hang Seng is the thing to buy. Yes or no? I also mentioned S&P still uptrend, even though in the middle there will be a correction. Yes or no? S&P 500. I also mentioned BTC, but BTC is long-term dollar cost averaging. Okay, until next year. Okay, so now Hang Seng, no need to do anything. If you are long-term guys, don't go and trade lah. Okay, don't go and say, I want to wait for overbought right now. I'm going to wait for swing. Don't need lah. Okay, just wait lah. Okay, wait. Okay, at this moment, question. At this moment, what do you all think is the trend? Short-term trend. Short-term trend. Short-term, I'm talking about 1 month. 1 month. Think the more than meets the eye. Okay, more than meets the eye. Okay. Yes, it's up, but at this moment, guys, this week is already overbought. Can you all see that? Type yes, you can see that. I'm not saying it will pull back immediately, but at this moment, if you only trade for 1 month, is it wise to get in this week? Not wise. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes, if you understand. It's not wise to get in this week if you want to trade for 1 month. You want to wait for a setup again. That means you wait for it to come back down again for setup. Okay. We can also look at the monthly chart. Okay. So guys, sometimes we seldom look at the monthly chart, but let's just change for flavor to look at the monthly chart. Yes, we broke out from the trend line, but if you look at the monthly chart, we actually have a monthly swing trade, but it's a monthly swing trade what? Short okay? Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Okay, it's a monthly swing trade, but we're not going to short monthly swing trade. But what I mean, if you are going to trade 1 year or more, 1 year or more, 1 year or more, I think right now there may be better time to buy already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. If you were bought beginning of the year, good, very well done. If you bought beginning because of we bought the lower end of the channel, remember that I talked about the channel? That yes, if you remember the talk about the channel, we talked about this channel before, right? If you bought the lower end of the channel, very good. You know, you bought at the low end of the channel. But at this point, right now, at this point, okay, at this point right now, you bought here, good, because it's beginning of the year, January 2024. At this point, okay, at this point right now, wait, okay, that means no need to rush into buy if you are 1 month trade. Do y'all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, if you're doing a 1 month trade, that means I want to get in this week, this few days, and then I want to excel within the next 1 month. Should I get in now or these few days? Answer is no, you should not. Why? Because right now my market is overbought. Okay, wait for pullback down. Okay, this is a very strong uptrend. So you can look at the what? You can look at the 20 MA to look at the pullback. That yes, if you remember. Okay, right now this yellow line. Okay, this yellow line. Before it to pull back into yellow line, then look for the next trade. That means chill lah. Okay, that means don't need to rush into buy. For those dollar cost averaging, what do? Those dollar cost averaging, you set up the program already since beginning of the year. What should you do right now? Continue. Do you follow what I'm saying? No need to stop. I tell a broker, I think next month do not dollar cost averaging. Okay, continue. Okay, understand? Continue. Okay, is that clear? No confusion, no confusion, right? Okay, let's look at AEM. Guys, if y'all can don't trade don't trade Singapore stocks or this who Francis Henry, don't trade Singapore stocks okay. There is a lot of opportunity, a lot of trades that you can do that is in US, okay, or even in Hong Kong. Singapore is really not a good market to trade. Okay, anyway, you never thought in the time frame, but Francis Henry, you want to find out SGX. SGX, the trend is what? The trend is what? Up or down? Up or down? Down, okay? You can see the swing weekly is down, the MA is pointing down, the position weekly also down. Yes or no? Since here already down already, okay? If you follow the trader GPS, you will avoid losing 50% of that position. Yeah. Okay, so come for the class, okay? Come for the class and then you know how to trade, at least know how to get in now. Okay. Okay, so done ready. Next, China market still the same, no change. Okay, how many bought 2823 or China market type in China? If you bought in China or 2823 type in China or okay. Okay, so same. Okay, broke out the range already. No change. The same with the Hang Seng Index. Okay, same with Hang Seng Index. Okay, so right now at this moment, same lah. Okay, that means your long term change up already, but 1 month trade right now not a good time to trade. Type yes if you remember, if you know. Okay, 1 month trade right now, not a good trade right now. Hello, here. 1 month trade right now, not a good trade. If you big money in the next 1 month, can I buy Hang Seng now? No. Okay. Long term, do you continue to cut dollar cost average? Yes. Those that want to trade 1 month, wait for what? Wait for the pullback into my MA, CCI below 100, or even touch my 0. Then I can look for a setup again. Got it? 明白吗? Type yes if you understand. Okay, good. Wow, so fast already. Okay, I think time to say goodbye to the public. We got 117 of 115 or 116 of you all. Please like and share the post if you all can. If in the future we got more people public joining us, maybe I just do public webinar. Okay, so please like and share the post so that more people can know about this. Okay. Then if there's more people know, then I can also do public webinar. If not, then thank you, guys, for joining us, those public. SMT graduates, stay back first. Okay. I'll say bye to the public. And then we can have our secret meeting. Okay. Say bye to the public. Okay. And let's go. Okay. Close and stream. Okay.